In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pop-up on GoDaddy in just a few minutes. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring you can confidently integrate pop-ups into your website to capture leads, announce special promotions, or simply enhance your user interaction. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to log in to your GoDaddy account. Once you've entered your credentials and logged in, navigate to your GoDaddy product page. This is your dashboard, where all your GoDaddy products and services are organized for easy access. Once you're on the product page, scroll down until you see the section labeled Websites plus Marketing. Here, you'll find a list of all the websites you have created with GoDaddy. Locate the website you want to add the pop-up to and select the Manage button next to it. This will allow you to make the necessary edits to your site. Next, you'll want to choose the Edit Website option. This will take you to your website's editing interface, which is where all the magic happens. It's designed to be intuitive, so even if you're not a tech guru, you should find it relatively straightforward. Now, click over to the Website tab. On this tab, you'll find various options under Website Add-ons. Look specifically for the option labeled Pop-up. This is where you'll start putting together your new pop-up. With these tools at your disposal, it's time to configure your pop-up. You can customize the appearance to align with your site's design, adjusting colors, fonts, and sizes to ensure it fits seamlessly. Don't forget the content. Think about what message you want to convey and how you want to communicate it. You have the flexibility to include text, images, and even call-to-action buttons. Also, take some time to configure the behavior settings. Decide when the pop-up should appear, upon page load or perhaps after a few seconds. Consider these options carefully to enhance user experience without causing disruption. Once you've got everything set up the way you want it, it's crucial to save your changes. This ensures nothing gets lost in the virtual void. After saving your newly configured pop-up, you're one step away from launch. The final task is to publish your site. This step is essential since it makes the pop-up live and enables visitors to start interacting with it as you intended. And there you have it. You've successfully added a pop-up to your GoDaddy website. This simple but powerful tool can significantly enhance your user engagement and help achieve your site's goals effectively. Thanks for following along, and remember, practice makes perfect. Try configuring different pop-ups to see what works best for your audience.